Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Java programming language. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. We should implement the function toggleNamingConvention, which toggles the naming condition of the string variable based on the conditions. If the variable name contains underscore, then convert the case of the next alphabet after underscore to uppercase and remove the occurrence of the underscore. And the next condition is if the variable name is in camel case, then insert underscore and then convert the case of the alphabet into lowercase. So the alphabet will be converted into lowercase, then we have to return the string. So now we'll take our first test case. So here you can see that there is underscore. So the string is this. So here we can see that it has underscore in between them. So this applies for the first condition, that is if the variable name contains underscore, then we have to convert the case of the next alphabet to uppercase, that is the alphabet near the underscore. Next alphabet after underscore is I here. So I will be converted into capital, that is uppercase, and this underscore must be removed. So first we will convert. So here this will be our output. As you can see, the underscore is removed and also the alphabet after underscore is converted into uppercase. So now we'll take our second test case. So in this case, it is called as a camel case. As you can see, there is no underscore in the input. So our output will be with the underscore and then convert the case of the alphabet to lowercase. So this will be converted into lowercase and underscore will be inserted between them. So this, and we'll have an underscore and then yes, I in lowercase and yes, then we'll have another underscore and then we'll have converted V to lowercase. So this will be our output, that is this is variable. Now we'll take the third test case. So here we have an underscore between them. So now we have to remove this underscore and convert the next occurring alphabet to uppercase, which will be our output. An underscore is added and then lower s will be converted into uppercase yes. and this will be our output. Now let us implement our program. So the main function is already given, in which they have got the input string value and it is converted into character array, and it is passed to toggleNamingConvention function. So now we'll define that. So here we'll have to get the string yes, and int index is equal to 0, and while the index is less than string length, then if the string of index is equal to underscore, means the string yes will be appended with the character index, which is in uppercase. So here we have index plus 1, and after that index will be incremented by 2 because we consider the next character also. So now else, if the character dot is upper case of str of index, then we should append the string yes with underscore and also with the character dot to lower case of the string of index, and also it will be incremented by 1. Else the string yes will be appended with str of index, and index will be incremented by 1. So finally we'll return yes dot character array, that is 2 character array. Now we will execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So now we have got the correct output. Now we'll give our second test case. Here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.